Now, today let us see knockout tournament. Now, first of all, let us see what are the essential points for knockout tournament. Essential points for knockout tournament. First point is number of teams. It may be any odd or even. For example, it may be 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now let us see the second point. Number of buys. How to calculate the buy? There is a specific formula. How to calculate the buys. For example, if the number of team is 15. Now what is the next highest power of 2? Let us see power of 2. Power of 2. What it is? It is the calculation of 2. 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32 and so on. Now let us see the next highest power of 2. Next highest power of 2. When the team is 15. Number of team is 15. So we have to see the highest power not less than 15. We have to see the highest more than 15. What is that? 2 is lower than 15. 4, it is also lower. 8, it is also lower. 16 is more than 15. So highest power of 2 is 16. Now number of buys is equal to 16 minus 15. 1. Now let us see if the number of team is 8. What is the power of highest power of 2? 2, it is less than 8. 4, it is less than 8. 8, yes, it is equal to 8. So highest power of 2 will be 8. So here no question arises of number of bytes, as the highest power of 2 and number of team is same. If the number of team is 17, now what will be the by? Highest power of 2 is 2 is less than 17, 4 is also less than 17, 8 less than 17, 16 is also less than 17, now 32. So number of bytes (32 minus 17) is equal to 15. Number of bytes is 15. Now third point. Third point is number of team. Number of team in each half or quarter. Method of calculating the teams in each half. There are two halves, that is upper half and lower half. So the formula for upper half is equal to number of teams plus 1 by 2. In case of lower half, number of team minus 1 by 2. Now let us see if the number of team is 11, what will be the upper half? That is number of team plus 1 by 2. That is number of team is 11 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 teams. Lower half, number of team, what is number of team? 11 minus 1 by 2, it becomes 10 by 2 is equal to 5 teams. Now as I told, 11 is the number of team. So let us see upper half and lower half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams are in upper half, whereas in lower half 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 teams are there in the lower half. Now fourth point is number of buys, number of to be given in each half. Now let us see the rules. First buy is given to the first team. As I told, the first buy is given to the last team of lower half. Second point, that is second buy is given to the first team. Upper half. Third buy is given to the first team lower half. Fourth one, that is fourth buy, is given to the last team of upper half. Fifth one, the next buy will be given as in the same order as described below. As described above. Now let us see once again. First buy, rules for giving the buys. First buy is given to the last team of the lower half. Second buy is given to the first team of upper half. Third buy is given to the first team of lower half. Fourth buy is given to the last team of upper half. The next buy will be given as in the same order as described above. Now let us see the buy also. When the team, as earlier only I told, when the number of team is 11. So first buy, according to a rule, first buy is given to the last team of lower half. So this is the first buy. Now in the rules what it is given, second buy is given to the first team of upper half. So this is the first team of upper half, number 1. So this is the second bye. Now third bye is given to the first team of lower half. So here is the lower half. So first team is 7. So this is the third bye. Now fourth bye is given to the last team of the upper half. So upper half is this one. So our last team is what? 6. So this one is the fourth bye. Now if it is fifth bye, how it will come? The next bye will be given as in the same order as described above. That means fifth bye will be number 10. Sixth bye will be number 2, and so on. Now fifth point is number of matches. If the number of team is 11, now what will be the number of matches? There is a specific formula for number of matches, that is n minus 1, where n stands for number of team, that is 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 matches. Now let us come for the sixth point, number of rounds. For example, if the number of team is 16, now what is the highest power of 2? 16 itself is the highest power of 2. Therefore, number of rounds 2, 4, 8, 16. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rounds. Now let us see if the number of team is 10. What is the next highest power of 2? 2, 4, 8, 16. So 16 is the highest power of 2. That is again 4 rounds. Now if the number of team is 19, what is the power of 2? Highest power of 2? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That is 32. So let us see number of rounds. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds.